one of the earliest solutions, reaching back to probably the ancient Egypt, was denture. It's there, it's a piece of plastic that replaces the teeth, the bone, the gums that are over time resorbing and missing. And so we're trying to camouflage the need for teeth. What we offer is solutions to improve. I mean, we tailor this to patient-specific budget. On the low end, so to speak, we improve the fit of the denture by putting implants. If we have to use this ancient solution, we end up resorting to implant supported denture. The denture snaps over a couple of pins on implants. It's a significant improvement. Patients are wowed on how quickly the denture fit is improved. Our little step up is to make sure that the denture is actually suspended on implants. So, we just call it a denture that is fully suspended on implants. It's an improvement. It's definitely an improvement. The final step up from all-on solution is our hybrid process. We've created multiple implant suspended zirconium bridge, and that is probably the best replacement as far as fit, feel, taste, speech. It's the best replacement for their poor teeth.